Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometric login on Cash Mobile and Capital One. First, open the Cash Mobile app on your phone. If you aren't inside yet, enter your username and password to log in. Once you are inside the home page, tap on the menu icon or profile. After that, tap on the setting, look for the option called security and privacy. Here you will find Face ID or Touch ID. Turn the switch on for the biometric option you want to use. Your iPhone will now ask for confirmation with Face ID or Touch ID. Once it's confirmed, you will see a message saying biometric login is enabled. Now next time you open the Cash app, you will sign in using Face ID or Touch ID instead of typing your password. If you don't see the biometric option in the app, open the setting app on your phone. In the search bar, type Capital, Bank or Cash Mobile app and make sure your Touch ID and Face ID is enabled for this app. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.